back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, Akosuah's Tasty Recipe, and like my Facebook page, Tasty Recipe. So today we will cook chicken. Okay, so this is chicken breast. I'm going to show how you will cook this chicken in your microwave. So you stay tuned and then you watch how I prepare it. These are my ingredients. I have chicken, that's the breast part. I really love chicken breast because there is no fat, no fat. I have some lemon here, and I have some bell pepper and green pepper. I have some onions. I have my spices. This is dash, salt free. I have some garlic. I have some ginger powder. I have some old spices. I have thyme. I have basil. I have some old peppers. Then salt. I have some chili here also. This is my chili. So let's start. I will wash my chicken. Chicken recipe, it's done. You can try this at home if you're so hungry and you want some chicken, you cannot steam whatever, you can just use this method. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos, like my page on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.